You could have money tomorrow. So think about that. You can also choose a guaranteed acceptance loan from those that have bad credit without having to put up your possessions like collateral. It doesn't have to be backed by a car or a house. These are unsecured loans. So let's start off with the first one, which is 1F cash advance. The best loans for people with bad credit is their goal. Even if you don't have any credit history, or let's say you have credit problems, which, who hasn't had a credit problem in their past? F1 cash advance can give the financial assistance you require. The website specializes in providing same-day access to urgent loans for people with bad credit. Just because you have bad credit doesn't mean you won't pay the money back. You probably know that. If you know how to use a no credit check loan properly, it could be a terrific tool for resolving financial issues. You may want to tell a friend about it or help someone out. Credit history of the borrower is not taken into account. They may look at it, but they're not using that to determine why they're doing a loan. Customers who have made credit mistakes can use the financial option because first and foremost, they want to help people get the money they need. Obviously, they're in business to make money. They call that interest. That's their profit. They want to lend you money if they think you're going to pay it back. The straightforward loan process. You may complete an online application form in a few minutes. The application process is straightforward and the website is easy to use and intuitive. I've used it myself. I haven't gotten a loan there, but I checked it out. Doesn't cost you anything to apply. The application fees are not required. You're not required to pay anything, even if you decline a few offers in favor of a superior one. So if you get offers, you don't have to pay for those if you pick something else. As you can see, if you know where to go, there are numerous options for negative credit loans. You can get a short-term or even a long-term financial solution from a business like payday loans or personal installment loans. And here are some positive ones to look at. Good for poor credit history. We're going to break it down. They have an online application procedure, which is 24/7. Full range of loan options with no hard credit checks. Fast funding with 1 working day, multiple offers from direct lenders only. And what do you guys think of this one? It's pretty good, right? Also, let's get into the next one. They're called ASAP, fitting, right? ASAP Financial, which is apparently the best payday loans for no credit checks. The business ASAP Finance has become well known in the area of lending to those with terrible credit. It works with more than 20 lenders and loan providers that have been carefully checked to make sure that they follow privacy rules. So you don't have to worry about your information or scammers because the company is reliable. At least they say they are. Here at this bank, you only have to do a light credit check, or what they call a soft pull, to get a cash advance loan in 24 hours. And sure, the majority of the lenders that the organization deals with don't place a high priority on your poor credit, if you have poor credit. If you're seeking a quick solution to handle your financial difficulties without paperwork and stringent restrictions and waiting 3 months, bad credit loans may be able to help you now, and you could apply for that longer term one, I guess. To let people understand they still have a chance to receive the money they need with any credit scores, loan accessibility will be given to as its top priority to get you money. You have to meet a few simple requirements to use the platform, but they aren't hard to figure out. It can be met by almost every adult American. You don't have to wing it or go with your gut. Before you decide on a loan, you can learn more about what's available by going to the website, which has all the information you need. There's no origination fees to apply for this loan, which is great. Online applications are free to submit. The only person that will be charged interest and fees is if you accept a loan offer directly from the lender. Now we have 15M Finance, which might be the best for bad credit loans with fast funding. 15M Finance now offers no credit check loans with low interest rates and short wait times. After you fill out and submit the form and your personal and bank information, a direct lender will get back to you within an hour or less. Pretty fast, right? Because the company works with many direct lenders at once, the chances of you getting approved are pretty high. Finding a loan where you have terrible credit might be a challenge. I understand that. People with strong credit have nearly limitless alternatives, while those with negative credit have to go on this search, this mad search, which I feel like a researcher most of the time, to overcome these obstacles to help everyday people that run into situations be able to get loans, which they should be available to everyone. Well, this company gives fair loans to people with bad credit and meet those needs every single day to Americans. So as much as it may be unfair, some of the rates, they're high, at least there's an option. Anyway, bad credit loans are pretty commonly sought out at this point because lots of people have run into problems, and they're available through private lenders, direct lenders, online lenders, and a number of linked platforms, including our own that we put out there for people. So I sincerely hope that this knowledge, these 3 places, help you get the money that you need.